Hey everyone, I got a I got a couple packages today. I'm super happy about, but I got my January Yes Oh Yes, and I'm super stoked because there is a big surprise in here for January. Yes, I hit myself in the face. Anyway, if you want to see what I got, if you haven't seen already what January's Yes Oh Yes is, stay tuned. So I think you guys already know that Yes Oh Yes is probably one of my favorite subscriptions. And reason being is that I am really big on collecting palettes right now. I know. I don't use them enough, right? Well, we're working on that. But Yes Oh Yes sends out a palette, a full-size palette every month. So this is for $14.99 a month. You can't beat that. And they're decent palettes. And then they do a lot of other promos now. They're doing a thing where you pay a dollar extra and you'll get access to things that are on their website, kind of like BoxyCharm, but these are at discounted prices, not like with charms. Like extremely discounted, 70-80% off certain things. So it's really good that they did something, kind of competitive. Every month, Yes Oh Yes lately has been coming in this really pretty silvery kind of rainbow looking bag. And let's make sure I got a card in here because I didn't last month. All right, so this is their card for January. It says 2019 Yes Oh Yes is all about you. If that focuses. On the back is a list of what's in the box or bag, the date, and the prices. So we are going to dig in it. And I'm going to save the palette for last like I always do. Ooh, the first thing I have here is this by Beauty Creations. This is a liquid lipstick that retails for $8 and it's in the color Kiss Me. The next thing is by INMO Universe. It's a star highlighter. This is what the packaging looks like. It's in 1.5 grams. Really pretty packaging. IMO Beauty. I think the color is You're a Star. Let's see if I can open it. I'm so challenged with opening packages and I hate ruining them. Like I literally save packaging almost for everything. Ooh, no, I think the color is Twilight. Look at the bottom. And that's the top. And I'm not swatching this because this will be in a giveaway. I'm going to make up a little box probably. But this looks like a gold color. Very pretty. So I was just reading the card and one of the things had a variation between gold, I think, and silver. And it looks like I got gold. And if you guys know me by now, I don't like gold at all. So this is NCLA. It's a luxury gold glitter lacquer that retails for $21. It is pretty. And I do love NCLA's nail lacquers. I'm actually going to buy like a rack probably for my nail polishes because I don't really use nail polish. I go to the salon, but I have a collection. So why not put it on display, right? So this is really pretty. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. It's called This Is Hollywood. So yay, this is pretty. This product is the 5th product in the bag, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, I'm sorry. There's 5 in this month. It's by Appeal Cosmetics. It's a charcoal pigment. Looks like that. Cute. I've never tried anything from Appeal, but I am excited to have a loose pigment in charcoal for smoky eye, I guess. So we have the little thingy here. And I can never get the stupid seal off of those little dots. So, oh man, I should just fast forward the video, right? I got it working. There we go. This is what it looks like. Let's see. Ooh. You guys look at that. Like, I don't know if I rubbed it in. Look at my finger. It's kind of got like a purple hue, gray, and there's like sparkly little glitter in it. I want to put more on my hand. Such a dork. It's not what I thought. I thought it was going to be a lot darker. I guess you have to, well, yeah, you can build this up big time. Look at that. Wow. Will it show? There's like little pieces of, yeah, you could see it now. That is so pretty. I'm going to have to go on their website and see what else they have. I'm ashamed to say that I follow them, but I don't follow them. And this looks like a product that I definitely need to look into. And I did tell you that it retails for $21. And it is in 4 grams, 0.14 ounces. Very impressed. That I seen the previews or the sneak peeks for it. And I was kind of like, because I'm all for palettes, but we're getting a palette. So lately I've been into the loose pigments because you can add them to the palette and like complete a look, you know? So here's what I've been waiting for. And it's a Crown Pro 10 color, oh my God, shadow collection. And this is what the front looks like. This retails only for $10. I'm surprised. Cute packaging. And I always save the packaging. I got the little bubble wrap in there so it didn't get broke. And the pretty little crown. I keep wanting to open this palette because I want you guys to see my reaction, but my phone keeps ringing. Anyway, let's get to it. Oh, wow. Look how big these pans are, you guys. Like, I don't think you understand. Like, that's my fingertip. They are so big. Let me see. I need a couple swatches. It looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4 mattes, and then I guess the rest is 6 shimmers. So we'll do a matte. Oh my God, it's so creamy when you touch it. That's on my finger. Look at that, you guys. And the shimmer that's next to it, they feel like, they straight up feel like butter. That's that. Oh, I cannot wait to work with these. Wow. And there's 2 purple shimmers. Look at that. So pretty. Look at that. And here's another shimmer purple. Look at that. See, there's a difference. So this is the one I just did. Okay. All right, Yes Oh Yes. Y'all really know how to treat me. There's a brown color. See, I'm running out of fingers here. What? I'm in love. I absolutely love Yes Oh Yes. If you guys have not subscribed, their slogan that goes around the internet is say no to samples, say yes to Yes Yes. I have a referral link down below. You don't have to use it. I don't even know. You might get a discount if you do, though. I'm not really sure. Don't quote me. But either way, you guys should definitely check them out. I've given up subscriptions just to keep this one. $14.99 a month. This is not one of their higher valued boxes this month. I will say that. Although I do like this palette a lot, but I like all of their palettes a lot. But this is one of the lower valued boxes, I would say, and it's just to start the new year, but they've been up there pretty high, considering it's $14.99 a month. This one says we saved a total of 78.5%. 78.5%. If we would have bought these individually, it would have cost $70. So $70 retail value for this month's box, which is not a complete blow away, you know, but sorry, you guys. It's not a complete blow away, but we're only paying $14.99 a month, and you're getting an awesome palette, and everything else to me is just extra, you know what I mean? If you like it, that's even better, right? Seriously, Yes Oh Yes, you need to sign up for them. You're never disappointed. So far, I'm not. And you know what? I might even do a future video and show you guys all the palettes that I got from them last year. I'm coming up to a 1-year anniversary with them. And 1 year, at the 1 year mark, when you email them and let them know you've been with them for a year, they send you a subscription box for free. But it's like a mystery box. I believe it's valued over $200. And I've seen some unboxings on YouTube with some pretty cool stuff. So they do reward you. And then I think the second year, I'm not quite sure. I think you get like an extra free box or something. Some kind of discount. So they reward you for your loyalty, which is no other box that I know of does yet. Anyway, I have to do another unboxing, you guys. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, and I will see you soon. Bye.